Hello everyone and welcome to WWX. In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the WooCommerce Product Ultimate plugin and show you how you can create beautiful product carousels and grids. First, let's start off with the installation. To install the plugin, navigate to WordPress admin dashboard, plugins, add new, and search for WooCommerce Product Carousel. Install the one created by WPWax and activate the plugin. Upon activation, you will see a new WooCommerce Product Ultimate entry. So let's add a carousel. To add a new product carousel, click on Add New. Give it a title and publish the carousel. Then copy the shortcode and paste it on any page or any post you want. Then add the shortcode block and paste in your shortcode. Publish it and your product carousel is ready. As you can see, we didn't have to configure the carousel, and that is because whenever you publish a carousel, the carousels will be displayed based on the default settings. Now, what are the default settings? Let's take a look into the default settings. First, the general settings. In the general settings, you can see layout carousel is selected, and by default theme 1 will be selected. There are a couple of more themes available for the free version, but if you upgrade, you'll get access to 15 different themes. You can set the total number of products to display on the carousel as well as display the header. You have the option to display the header in 3 different positions: middle, left, and right. Let me just demonstrate the feature and you'll see the header above the carousel. Here we go. Let's move on to the products type, and here you can select what type of products to display on the carousel. By default, latest products will be displayed, but you have the option to choose whether you want to display the older products or the featured products. The following options are available in the Pro version. You can categorize the products or also display the products by SKU, their IDs, and many more filters. Next, you can customize the badges. The sale badge, you can customize the text of it. Some users like to call it discount. You have the option to change the position. Same goes for the featured and sold out badge. And at the bottom you have some more options to customize. You can display product price. You can hide the product ratings, the add to cart button, and the image resize and crop option. And this is one of the most important features, and there is a note that your image must be higher than or equal to the cropping size set below. If you don't, then your image might look weird, so make sure your image is higher than or equal to the cropping size you set here. So that's it for the general section, and in the carousel section, this carousel tab will be changed based on the layout you choose here. For the grid, it'll show the grid settings, and for the carousel, it'll show the carousel settings. This settings is specifically for the carousel. Like, you can customize the carousel. For example, you can disable the autoplay option, repeat product, stop on hover. This option will stop the autoplay whenever you hover over the product. So here's an example. So the autoplay is on, and whenever you hover over the product, the autoplay will pause. And then you have the option to set the number of columns to be displayed on different devices. And then you have this slider speed control. The lesser you go, the speedier it gets. And then you can also customize the navigation button. This is the navigation button. You can position it and display it on the middle. So let's see how it looks. And here we go, the navigation button is on the middle. And then you can also change the colors, the border colors, the background colors of the navigation. And then you have the pagination. And this is important when you have more products and you want your users to paginate using the page numbers. So let's take a look at this feature. Here the pagination is displayed. And then we have the style settings. There isn't much to talk about, as this is just about changing the font size and colors of certain settings. Header font size, product title font. So now let's talk about the grid settings. Just like the carousel setting, you can select the number of columns, pagination, and customize the pagination style. So this is how you can customize your carousel and display in different layouts. You can create as many carousels as you want, and all your carousels will be displayed in this section. So now you have an overview of the plugin and you know how to use it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.